Today my new felt bike, my Google Glass, and myself are going to take a ride to the fire tower, Buffalo Mountain. Well, we're on a higher hill now, and I have successfully got the new bike in granny gear. Yes, I've even spun out in the gravel, practicing my cyclocross ritual here of carrying a bicycle. Here's I think that's Mountain Laurel. Well, we've just got this rise here, and then I'm at the fire tower. It was just 5.5 miles up here. Feels like 55. Certainly quite a view up here, worth the trip. Without a doubt, worth the trip. So downhill we go. I get to practice on these new disc brakes, which are doing a fine job. I see the road down there, around the corner, and we conclude an excellent ride. Well, it went well. The glass did their job, the bike did their job, and I passed my stress test, so a good time was had by all.